How to lock Instagram with Face ID on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to lock Instagram with Face ID on iPhone, open the Shortcuts application on your device firstly. Shortcuts is an inbuilt application of iPhone. But just in case if you do not have shortcuts, you can easily download the app from the App Store. Once you have opened shortcuts, you will see the option for automation in the bottom center. Tap on that and then tap on the plus icon on the top right of your screen. Under personal automation, go ahead and look for the app option and then tap on the option for choose. Here, scroll down and find Instagram option and tap on that. And then tap on the done option on the top right of your screen and then on next. You will see the option for start timer now. Tap on that. Now here set the duration for 1 second and tap on done option. With this, your shortcut is ready. Now go to your home screen and tap on clock option. Here, go ahead and open timer and tap on the when timer ends option. You will see the option for stop playing. Tap on that and then tap on set option. Now if you go back and open Instagram on your device, Instagram will lock automatically. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.